Hi guys, and welcome back to Ari Has Ideas. And today we're going to be making an origami Christmas card. And you can use this card for more than just Christmas. You can use it for birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever you want to use it for, you can use it. So without further ado, let's get started! First, I started off by creasing the paper, and I creased the paper into a triangle on the top and the bottom, and I also folded the flap and to make a rhombus type of shape. Then I made this ribbon design on it, and basically you just make a few squares. The first square is smaller than the middle square, which is bigger, and then the one in the bottom is much smaller than both of them. Then I added some snowflakes, and I added some ornaments, and then I just went in there with Sharpie because I think it looks better if you go over with Sharpie. And then that's when I realized that I should have done the snowflakes blue. So when I did the cover, that's when I made my snowflakes blue. So now I'm just coloring everything in, and I'm writing Merry Christmas inside the boxes. Merry Christmas to you. And then I folded it, and I added some more snowflakes, and I folded it like in half, and then on each I made them almost the same size, and open it, and I wrote pull, and I opened it again just to check if it was the right side, because sometimes it can be upside down. And then I did some more designs, and I added some polka dots, and then I opened it again to add some polka dots to the inside. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with all your friends. Thank you, and see you all next time. Goodbye. Christmas is not your actual Christmas present.
Thanks. Wow. Let me open it to see what it is. Yeah. Wow. Like the design. Ooh, can you teach me how to make this?
Sure.
Ooh.